Exercising on an elliptical machine every day offers various benefits. This includes improved endurance, better balance, and enhanced calorie burning. In this video, I'll explain what happens to your body when you engage in a daily 30-minute elliptical workout. Make sure to watch until the end for some interesting insights. Let's get started. What exactly is an elliptical cross trainer? The elliptical trainer, often referred to as the Orbitrack, ranks among the most sought-after pieces of cardio equipment in gyms. It's also an excellent option for workouts at home. Why is this machine so favored? Compared to a traditional treadmill, it provides a safer workout and is more effective than both steppers and exercise bikes. During a session on the elliptical, your leg muscles are primarily activated. This machine serves as a versatile tool for cardiovascular exercises. When used correctly, it engages a maximum number of muscles in your body while minimizing strain on your joints. The elliptical trainer protects your ligaments and joints while ensuring a full-body workout, all within a compact design that can fit neatly in a corner of your space. What are the advantages of using an elliptical machine? The benefits of an elliptical trainer are noteworthy. It helps in building stamina. When performing cardio, your heart and lungs must work more diligently to supply blood and oxygen to your muscles. The elliptical trainer provides an effective aerobic workout that can fortify your heart, lungs, and muscles, consequently boosting your stamina. You can engage in both high-intensity interval training and straightforward cardio on the Orbitrack. The elliptical trainer is also effective for calorie burning. If you aim to ramp up your calorie expenditure quickly, consider using the elliptical. Depending on your body weight and workout intensity, you can burn between 250 to 400 kilocalories in just 30 minutes on this machine. However, achieving this requires significant effort. Consuming fewer calories than you burn is essential for weight loss. Another benefit of the elliptical trainer is its reduced impact on joints. When the elliptical first came to fitness centers in the 1990s, individuals with joint pain or those recovering from overtraining were thrilled to discover that they could enhance their cardiovascular fitness without straining their joints. Running or other high-impact exercises can be hard on your knees, ankles, hips, and other joints. Since your feet remain on the pedals of the elliptical, it offers low-impact cardio workouts. The elliptical trainer effectively trains both your upper and lower body. It's one of the rare cardio machines that can simultaneously target both areas. To maximize upper body benefits, ensure you distribute weight and resistance evenly. This means moving your arms as swiftly as you move your legs. When used correctly, the elliptical can engage your glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, chest, back, biceps, triceps, and core muscles. Additionally, the elliptical trainer allows you to focus on specific leg muscles. You can adjust both the resistance and incline of the pedals, enabling you to target various lower body muscles, such as the quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. As you increase the incline, you may feel a burning sensation in your hamstrings. Conversely, lowering the pedals will intensify the workout on your quadriceps. Using the elliptical trainer can enhance your sense of balance. If you stand upright and let go of the machine's handles, you engage your core muscles, which helps develop your balance. Just be sure to set the resistance and incline at a safe level to use the elliptical securely without holding onto the handlebars. The elliptical trainer is also beneficial for maintaining fitness during injury recovery. If you're dealing with an injury and can't perform your usual exercises, elliptical workouts can help you improve or retain your fitness level. These sessions substantially lessen joint stress compared to activities like running or jumping. Training on an elliptical after an injury can assist in regaining a full range of motion while also strengthening your muscles and joints, relieving pressure on the injured area. Don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. Links will be displayed on the screen right now. See you soon.